This is recording directly from the Insta360 Ace Pro. So I've got the DJI Mic 2 in my hand. So I'm going to fire this up now and see if it automatically joins that camera. Now by rights, it's already Bluetoothed, but obviously when you switch it off and then switch it back on, does it automatically just Bluetooth itself and go? So let's turn her on. So at the moment, there's no red light, it's green flashing. We'll press the red button this side and hold it. Now with a bit of luck, that green will either turn blue or that'll just turn on to red. Let's see. So whether that's actually automatically linked or not, I do not know. Because it is still flashing green. And that only means one thing. Now if I press it hard down, and actually on my screen, on the camera, you can't see if it is actually linked or not. So let's press this down a bit further. Now it's flashing blue. Now by rights, because it's flashing blue, it's linking the camera. The only thing is it could be linking something else, couldn't it? Still flashing blue. Very curious now if that's actually connected or not. Don't have a clue. So let's press the red button on this side just to see what happens. Now it's gone to green. Now all I know is this is automatically saving to this now completely. So the mic on the camera may go dead. Green light's flashing and the red is on. And red means it's recording. So it may be recorded to this only, or it may be doing both. I've not actually managed to work this out yet because the instructions are pretty poor, to be honest. I'm thinking that this is recording directly to the camera and saving it to this, but I don't really know. I've not found that one out. You can put this on and save everything to this and mute it and pause it on this. I haven't seen if you can do the same using the Bluetooth to the camera, so it's recording the sound from this and saving it to this. Okay, let's have a look at this test and see what happens. Curious.